Alright, today we're going to talk about the C3 250 torque wrench that I bought from Amazon. It's rated for 50 to 250 foot-pounds of torque with a tolerance plus or minus 3%. And this is a 1/2 inch drive on this torque wrench. One of the features that I really like about it is that it's easy to read your torque specs where you want to set it. So there you're at 50, there's 55, 59, so on. So it's real easy to set. Start at 51 right there, boom. What I was thinking is I'd compare it to this snap-on. This is just a 3/8 head here. But this is the cream of the crop, right? So we'll use it as the control and just see how we do on torque. See if it's close or not even close to specs here, how the calibration is. So far I really liked it. I replaced a Craftsman 1/2 inch torque wrench with this one, and this has been really good. I believe I got this for about 50 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the video so you can see how much it is and where you can buy it. This one right here, man, I think I paid $175 for this snap-on torque wrench, and that was even used. So quite a bit difference on the price, but I've used this snap-on a lot and it's worked really well, and it goes from like 5 pounds to 75 pounds, so it's a good lightweight torque wrench and it's a nice tool. I just don't know if it's worth me to pay the extra money versus something you can get from Amazon. We will do a little shootout and see how we are on our torque specs calibrations. Okay, we're back here on the Can-Am X3. On the rear links, these are set. These should be set at 65 pounds right here. So there's 65. 65. I didn't loosen these off. I loosened off the top too. Let's check this right here. There's 65. So there's the snap-on set at 65. And this Amazon tool is set at 65 pounds right there. That's how you unlock it to adjust it. You pull the handle out, and then to lock it you just push the handle in. So we're going to go ahead and tighten these back up. There's 65. $65, $65, $65. Okay, so that one says it's torqued at 65. Let's grab the snap-on tool here. It says it's torqued. So this passes that test, I guess. Let's back it off to 60 pounds and just try that test. Okay, let's loosen it off. Okay, we're going to set this one at 60. There's 60. Loosen this one off. Okay, set it at 60. There's 60. Okay. Now let's set this one at 60. There's 60. 60. Seems to be calibrated on the money right there. It's working good. And this is an Etork. Bought it from Amazon. Links in the description. check it out. It's been a good tool. This is a 50 to 250 foot-pound torque wrench, 1/2 inch drive. Excellent tool. Thanks for watching.